Today's Qigong routine is all about getting your energy flowing and bringing in some positivity to start your day. We'll begin by rubbing your hands together and placing the palms over your eyes. Allowing the heat to transfer to bring blood flow to the eyes, wake them up for the day, and improve vision. So many of us are staring at computer screens all day, so this is a good way to give your eyes some much needed love. The eyes also represent ovaries in females and testes in males, so warming up the tissue is helping to bring energy and blood flow to these areas. Take a deep breath and feel the warmth come over your eyes. As we begin tapping all over your face. We have a ton of meridian points throughout our face, so tapping on them helps to stimulate and recharge those meridians. Next, place your ears in between two fingers and rub up and down rather quickly to generate heat. This helps to energize the body and really is a great way to wake you up to start the day. Next, we're going to give our ears a little massage, so pinch your ears between two fingers and give a little squeeze. Next, we'll begin tapping on the top of the head to activate the meridian channels, boost energy, and increase mental clarity. This also helps to bring blood flow to your scalp, which can be very beneficial for hair growth. Next, take one of your hands and rub it pretty vigorously on the back of your neck. We hold a ton of tension here, especially from looking down at our phones all day. Now we can bring our tapping down onto our body. Starting on the arms, you're going to tap up and down about 3 times. Moving on to our K27 points, I always like to linger here for a minute and take a deep breath, and then tap all the way down to your lower organs. Tapping down the inside of your legs and back up the outside of your legs. Now down the front of the legs and up the back, giving your kidneys an extra little tap. Now we'll begin with our neck and wrist rotation. This is going to help bring blood flow to the face and the head, and it's also going to help relieve any tension we hold in our wrists. Breathe in as you bring your head back and out as you come forward. Activating meridian channels running throughout the wrists and the neck. If you find this to be a bit tricky, you can do one at a time. Rotate your head and then go ahead and rotate your wrist. And go ahead and switch directions. Now hip rotations, keeping your feet planted, rotate your hips in one direction. Warming up the spine and increasing blood flow to our reproductive organs. This also helps work our girdle vessel or our diamond meridian that runs like an energetic belt across our waist, so it will help bring energy and chi to the lower half of our body. Now knee rotation, so go ahead and bend forward, placing your hands on your knees and start to rotate in one direction. This will help bring blood flow to the lower half of our bodies and support our knees and legs. Rotate in one direction and go ahead and switch. Stand up and take a deep breath, raise your hands, and we're going to begin full body rotations. Keeping your back flat and your arms straight out, reach as far as you can in front of you. As you rotate back, slightly bow your spine and reach back to really get that full rotation and movement in your spine. Really feeling that heat begin to build in our bodies. Breathe in as you reach up and breathe out as you come down. And go ahead and rotate directions. This will really feel like heaven if you suffer from any back pain. Now let's shake it out. So really letting your body relax. Shake out at your wrists and your arms, rotating at the hips with a soft bounce in your knees. Let go of any negative emotions you have in your mind or your body. Just shake those emotions right out of your body. Shaking really helps with lymph movement, so ridding of any stagnation we might have built up. Just not thinking much of it and just really letting your body relax. In a wide stance, let your knees bend slightly. We're going to rotate from our hips and our waist. So really relaxing our arms and shoulders, allowing your arms to gently knock on your lower back and your lower abdomen. We have pressure points in both of these areas, so knocking on them will really activate our energy. Also, doing this deep rotation will help to open your spine and lower back, moving your weight from one leg to another. Now take a deep breath in, and let's take a moment to bring some of that energy down to the center of our bodies. This is great if you've been putting most of your energy into work or other people, or if you feel like you're just really drained. You're going to gather your chi or your energy from the surrounding area, and you're going to pull it back into yourself. So holding one hand at the lower dantian, using the other hand to gather or scoop that energy and bring it back to your center. Breathing in as you gather and out as you bring it home. This next exercise is great for bringing positivity back into your heart. So breathing in, bringing your energy up from the heavens, back down through you, up to your heart center, and pushing out positive energy into the world, bringing positive energy back in. Breathing in as you come up, exhale as you come down, inhale back up. Exhale as you push out, inhale, scoop, exhale, and then big inhale as you reach up. Bringing in gratitude and appreciation. Really focus on pulling those thoughts, those feelings into your heart space. Holding that energy at your heart and taking a few deep cleansing breaths, really feeling gratitude flow throughout. Gratitude for the new day, gratitude for a strong body, whatever comes to mind, just feel that gratitude going throughout your entire body. And reach back around, breathe in, and bring that energy again back through the body. Place your hands over your lower dantian, and again taking a few cleansing breaths, really feeling that energy flowing throughout. Deep breath in, pulling it all the way down to the belly, and cleansing breath out. Take your final breath, and now tap or I tap and repeat after me. So inner eye, today will be a good day. Outer eye, I have so much to be grateful for. Under eye, I'm ready to take on the day and anything that comes my way. Upper lip, I'm filled with positivity and appreciation. Chin, and I feel confident and strong in my body and mind. Collarbone, I feel love and gratitude swirling throughout my body. Underarm, and that energy will vibrate to others around me. Top of the head, I'm a bright light of love, positivity, and gratitude. Today will be a good day. Hand on the wrist, deep breath in and out. One hand on the lower dantian, one hand on your heart, connecting those two energies, breathing in deeply and out. Thank you for practicing with me today.